Hey guys, so I'm out here doing a little flight
Takeoff.
in the middle of nowhere. Actually, I'm coming back from KIllam, Alberta, and I did go through Camrose.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Yeah, there we go. All right, we're airborne. It's a little bit windy up there, but I just wanted to show you something kind of cool. So I'm gonna just fly down this road here a little bit towards the highway. Then I'm gonna turn the bird a little bit and show you something weird. So I don't know if you can see that. I'm having a hard time seeing it on my screen, but it looks kind of neat. We'll go get a little closer to it. And this way you can kind of see what it is. And it's a big truck, and it's sitting up on top of some big stand. I just figured I'd videotape this. Anyway, I seem to have a lot of wind right now. So we'll see if this will actually fly. I'll see if we can get the front end of that truck. Whoop. Anyway, I just found it really odd that that truck was in the middle of nowhere, and I wanted to try just do the a feature to go fly around the darn thing. So even though it is really windy, I'm going to try it here. So we may not get video here for a second, but I'll try real fast. Okay, so I've set it up, and I'm going to hit the button, and hopefully this will work.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so it's going to fly itself all the way around the darn thing. Uh-oh, it's got a problem. Okay, we'll get out of that. It wants me to draw a box. Gonna start it again.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so it's gonna start again. This time it's actually capturing the truck as I'm going around. I got some traffic going by, but that's okay. And hopefully the drone won't hit anything. Oh. Oh. For some reason it just about went into the rhubarb there. Ah. Okay, well. I think it's too windy to try to do this feature today. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the truck here, and you know, the fact that it's up on a stand. I don't know why it's wanting to be so far away from the darn thing. Let's see if I can get a little closer to it. Maybe it's all in my settings, I think. We'll lower it down a bit. Oh, we're not even recording. Great. And I think I'm going to elevate it a little bit, and then we'll try it that way. Okay, we'll try this again here.
3, 2, 1.
And hopefully it'll work this time. All right, here we go. It's going to do a circle around that big truck. And hopefully it'll do it right. Now that truck is, I don't know, it looks like it's about 40 or 50 feet up in the air. It's an old logging truck of some sort. And the bird seems to be doing almost right this time around. It doesn't quite have the truck in the center. Strong wind warning. Okay. All right, well, that's fine. We'll take it out of that mode, go back to video mode. Restart that so we can see where we're at. And yeah, I'll do a manual fly around. And we'll see if we can get this thing to... Anyway, we'll get right in front of it and then we'll go from there. Sounds like somebody's honking their horn. I don't know where, but sounds really loud. Anyway, you can see the truck is up on a big stand there. It's kind of cool. Oh, somebody just went in there. I hope they don't mind me doing this. Mind you, I'm not exactly flying too close to them. So, yeah, it's kind of neat. Anyway, we'll bring her back over here, and I just thought I'd show you guys that. It's kind of neat. Big truck up on a big tower of sorts. Okay, we'll bring it back to me and land it, and I'll just make a short little video out of this. We should be good to go. All right, I'll get her back here. That wind is awful strong.
Landing.
And we'll tell it to come home, and hopefully there's no vehicles coming. And I can get underneath it and actually do a capture.
Landing.
Okay, it's landed and we're good. And it's beeping. And there's the truck just so you can see it. And everything's pretty cool. So we're good for now, guys. Till the next one. Bye. Take care and we'll see you.